Stink by Kate and Jim McMullen. Who am I? I've got lights, 10 wide tires, no AC, not me. I've got doubles, steering wheels, gas pedals, brakes. I am totally dual op. Know what I do at night while you're asleep? Eat your trash. That's what. See those bags? I smell breakfast. Crew, get me to the curb. Lights, blink. Brakes, squeal. Tailgate, say ah. Feed me, straight into my hopper. Nice toss, guys. Stop. Hopper's full. Hit the throttle. Give me some gas. Rev me up to the max. Engine roar. Did I wake you? Too bad. Pistons, bring on the crusher blade. Blade, push back the bags. Squeeze them, crush them, mash them, smash them. Whoa, those bags are way compacted. Now I have room for alphabet soup. Get a load of my recipe. Apple cores, banana peels, candy wrappers, dirty diapers, eggshells, fish heads, gobs and gobs of gum, half-eaten hot dogs, icky ice cream cartons, jam jars, kitty litter, lobster claws, moldy meatballs, nasty neckties, orange peels, puppy poo, quail bones too, rotten radishes, smelly sneakers, toothpaste tubes, ugly underpants, vacuum bags, watermelon rinds, XL t-shirts, year-old yams, zipped up ziti with zucchini. Thank you very much. What's that? You think I stink? Woo-wee! Do I ever? No skunk ever stunk this bad. Go on, hold your nose. But think about it. Without me, you're on Mount Trashorama, baby. Next stop, the river. Lights, flash. Driver, reverse. Get me to the barge. Hear me blast my back up rap. Hey, out of my way. Ready, crew? Action. Pins out. Power takeoff switch. Hit it. Tailgate, separate. Up, up, up. Tailgate sweeper, eject. Plop. I'm empty. I'm beat. You're waking up now, but I need some Z's. Back to the garage, crew. Hose me down and gas me up. See you tomorrow night, guys. Who am I? The garbage truck. That's who. The end. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.